Hello everyone, Sangmo Lotesh Dele, and welcome back to my channel. So I have been thinking of making another video, but I wasn't sure what to do because I have been making lots of yoga video recently. So I just want to bring a quick change. Since I uploaded the last video about my date, I think people liked a lot because it has more view than the other yoga and health videos. So yes, and I've posted in my Instagram by asking to all my Insta friends what kind of video should I make, and I got all the replies. And guess what, it's a very old trend and I haven't made any video on it. I even didn't thought of making any videos regarding that one because it's very trendy and I'm already very late to post or make a video on it. But however, this time I'm going to make it, and it's about, so that is what's in my bag. That's quite weird because I don't really carry bag. I always carry my phone and I put my card on the back of the phone. That's it, and I don't carry anything else with me when I go out. So very rarely if I go out with my friend for like lunch or dinner, or if I decided to spend some time with my girlfriend for like a day or like 4 or 5 hours, I would carry my bag, like side bag, the tiny bag. I'll show you. Oh yeah, there you go. I just carry this one. This is like very tiny and very portable. But if I put on like a pant or like shirt, I don't really carry any bag. I would just take my phone. But if I put on something girly outfit like dress or shorts, I would just prefer to take my bag. So as you saw that my bag is tiny bit, but I have quite a lot of stuff in this. But to be honest, I don't really carry this often. Sometimes, but when I carry it, I'll show you what I put inside this bag. So this is like very tiny though, so I just carry on my bag. That's it. And yes, so first thing I take is a book, and this is the very current book that I'm reading, Think Like a Monk by Jay Shetty. And he's one of my favorite influencer, motivator, inspirational, whatever you call it. And I really listen his podcast regularly, and this is his latest book. And as soon as it's out, I just went to different stores, but I couldn't find the book on the first time. But then I went again and asked them to order one for me, and I went to pick it up. So finally I got it, and I'm still reading. I don't read quick, but when I read, I just try to spend quality time with it, and this is really amazing. These days I read it before I sleep, like 2-3 pages, or when I get tired I would just sit down and read and drink a tea. And the other thing that I rarely take is my wallet. I don't really take this because as I told you that I put my card in the back, on the back of my phone, so I don't need all those other cards, so I just don't take this often. But yeah, this usually is in my bag if I travel to other places. And the most important one is sunglass. I don't really put this inside my bag because as soon as I get out of my house, I would just prefer to put on the glass. So oopsie, yes, this one. I know this is like I don't know, but I like it. This is good, and it will help you to protect your eyes from the sun rays. That's it. So these are the 3 things that I carry sometimes. So yeah, I just put out of my bag. And yes, it looks little or tiny, but I have lots of stuff inside it. So let's explore. Alright, so the first thing is, of course, if you watch my previous video, you know what I'm using. So this is my sunscreen SPF 15 Neutrogena. You must have sunscreen in your bag all the time. And yes, bars. This is one of my favorite bar. I always carry bars or dried fruits in my bag because I don't really eat Macca's or like outside food, junk foods. I don't prefer to eat because I love home food, especially the food that made by my mom. So these days I often get hungry, so I just carry this in my bag. Even if I go to work, I just carry either tiny container, like small container with full of fruits, or dry fruits, or a bar. I always carry that. And the next thing is, yes, we got lots of food. This is the Sky Flakes. This is from Philippines. Well, I encountered that there is a Filipino store in Fortitude Valley. One of the patients, she gave me this one. Not patient, patients related. Relative, they gave me this. And I really liked it. So one day I asked one of the Filipino friends that, hey, where can I find it? And she took me to that Fortitude Valley Filipino store, and I found it. So I always carry this. This is very convenient and good. Oh my god, a lot. And yes, a tiny bit of notebook, like sticky, along with a pen. This is a syringe pen. I really liked it when I was studying nursing, so I just particularly ordered this bunch of pen for my study. So I always carry this because I like to write and I like to put on my thoughts whenever it comes in my mind. So yes, this too. And of course my AirPod. There you go, just the AirPod with a tiny bit of avocado. So I ordered this cover from online, and the original cover is white, as you know. And obviously my hand cream. I use this Body Shop hand cream. I love this. And again, if you watched my previous video, you would see the body lotion and everything is from the Body Shop. Oh yeah, there's another pen as well. So this is a gift from my friend, like 3 years back when I was in a yoga school. We met I met a really nice girl, so nice lady, and we had a really good time. And then she gave me this as a gift, and this was made on her parents' 10th jubileum something. I don't remember. I forgot. Sorry. And it has a very nice torch. So there you go, torch. It has a torch and like tiny, like small pen. Yeah. So I carry this. This is very portable, and this always reminds me of her. And yeah, I haven't been in contact with her for so long, and I think I should contact her after this. And of course, this one, sanitary napkin. I always carry this because, you know, for hygiene as well as for the girls. Yeah. So you should carry this all the time. This is the mini pad. Stop. Oh my god. I don't know why I put this. Okay, so this is the threading, eyebrow threading. The reason I have this is I don't go to a salon or I don't go to a parlor to thread my eyebrow. I go to one of my friends. She usually does my eyebrows, and very often we misplace the thread, so I always carry one in my bag. And anytime, like when I meet her, I would ask her to thread my eyebrow. It's been a long time I haven't been doing that. Yeah, so that's it. It is very portable. Like if you go to a store, like if you go to a salon or a parlor, they would charge you like $15 to $25. So instead of just paying that, go to your friend and do this, and then have some tea or coffee time with her, with your friends. Hand sanitizer. And oopsie. So I'm sure you're wondering why I have this. And I use contact lens. And I always carry this one because if I go outside with my friends, like if I go to a swimming pool for swimming, I can't put on my lens and swim, so I have to take it off. And the other reason is instead of wearing glass, this is very convenient, so I always carry this, and at the same time I can just take it off whenever I don't want to put it on. And this is the mini perfume. I don't carry this stuff often, as I told you, that only if I go out for quite a long or for a few hours, for especially girls outing, I would carry all this stuff because, you know, we love to exchange the things. So this is the mini perfume. See, and I still have this one. This is the tester perfume. I got this when I bought the box of this. See, so this is also nice. So it's very convenient. Just spread. And what else? Okay, so this is an essential oil which I got it from Samara plus Radhi. So Samara and Radhi is the wife of Jay Shetty. She's so pretty and she's so, oh my god, I just love her. So when I bought her product, they would usually give away some essential oil. So this is one of that oil which is very helpful to relax you, or if you have headache, if you get tired. I usually just roll like tiny bit and put it here and here, and when you have like blockage of nose, I would just put it here and around the throat. This is so good. I don't really use this often. I use it very occasionally because I treasure this. I don't think I would get another one of this, so I would just try to use it very carefully whenever I need. And yes, this lip balm, it is a Vaseline, but it's lip balm. I don't put on any lipstick. I just put the lip balm or chapstick. So I had a very nice red lipstick which was given by one of my friend. So I just mixed the lipstick and the petroleum jelly so that I can apply from this bar instead of just applying the lipstick on my lip. And yes, oh my god, all the labels are worn out. This is from Maybelline, the chapstick, the pink one. So I just applied this one, and the other one, this one is very occasionally used, but this one is the regular one. This is always in my pocket. Even at work, I just put it in my pocket and then go. And, very close. So this is the oral floss. This was recommended by my dentist a year back because I have a very bad teeth, and she recommended me to use this very often to keep my teeth clean. And obviously the key, an extra rubber band, and yes, phone. So yes, when I go out, I would just carry my phone, and because I have the card just behind my phone. And I bought this cover from the online. Yeah, so these are all things that I have, and I still have those perfume test. Like I did some perfume test when I go to buy my perfume, so I still have those, and I just put it inside my bag and it smells really good. And I have some coins. Oh, you know, I don't really carry cash. It's always like my card, but it's in my bag. That's it. It's a tiny bag, but it's like, look, tiny bag, but you can put on lots of stuff. And yes, nothing much in my bag. Like if I update my bag in the future, I would love to do another time, like second video, what's in my bag. To be honest, I like bags, but I don't carry it often, so I don't prefer to buy a bag. But I think I need one, and if I buy another one, I'll make sure that I'll do another video as well. Thank you very much for watching, and if you haven't watched my previous video about my first date, I will just put the link below, and you can just watch that. And thank you very much for watching my video, and I hope you all enjoy my videos.